This is another make money video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make passive income just by pasting and shorting links. Alright, it's gonna be very easy and this is gonna be very quick here. Alright, today is all about shorting links and I'm gonna reveal to you how you can earn a passive income just by doing this. Alright, this is very easy. It works everywhere. This is worldwide and it works on mobile phone, your computer or tablets. It works everywhere. Alright, so I'll urge you to stick with me to the end of this video so you won't miss any other important thing. And if you want to actually go along with me in this video, you can pause this video and go to the description. The first link is gonna lead you to the website that I'm gonna show you here. That's gonna make you the money. Alright, so this is gonna be very simple and very easy here. And if you're new to watching this video, please I'll urge you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I'm doing videos like this every single day, showing you a whole lot of different ways to make money online. So all you're gonna do here is actually if you are all set, and I'll urge you, please, what you need is to make the money here is an internet connection and a PayPal account. Alright, comment the word below PayPal. Alright, if you have a PayPal account, yeah, you're good to go. If you don't have, I'll urge you, please go get one because that's where you're gonna receive the cash, you're gonna receive the money. Alright, so the website here is actually head on to this website here. Somehow, right? As you can see, Smonar. Alright, Smonar, not Smonar. This website here. Alright, head on to Google and type Smonar. It's gonna take you to the home page and you're gonna create an account. If you don't have an account, that's where you're gonna create an account. You don't have an account, you just go ahead and log in. And it's very simple. As you can hear, base your shortener and money. So what we're gonna do here is get our long link like this one. We paste in there, we shorten it, and we are good to making some money here. Alright, so I'm gonna review to you the step-by-step process how you can actually utilize this system here. So what you're gonna do here after signing in or after creating a new account, you're gonna see something similar to this on your screen. Alright, and as you can see, I'm gonna head you to my dashboard. Alright, you go ahead and click on the dashboard and it's gonna take you to a page that looks like this. I created this account, brand new account here, purposely for this video here. Alright, this is a brand new account here. Alright, so what you're gonna do after creating your account, heading on to your dashboard, right? You go ahead and click here. It says new shortening link. Alright, you're gonna click on that, but before that I'm gonna show you something real quick here. Alright, so as you can see here, this is a very simple and beautiful user interface here, and what you can do to withdraw your money is via PayPal, Bitcoin, or through money. Alright, so that's why I say you need a PayPal account. Alright, and as you can see, we have started sales. So if you actually commit to doing these things, you're gonna see changes in here. So this is gonna show up in here. Alright, this is a brand new account, that's why everything is new. That's why you see 00 here. Alright, so what you're gonna do is actually head on to this new shortening link here. Alright, you're gonna click on this here, and here is where we're gonna paste our long link. So you want to be asking, where are you gonna get a long link? What link are you gonna paste in there? Come on, hold on, I'm gonna show you this view. And if you think I'm giving you the value here, I'll urge you, please go ahead and smash out the like button because I'm gonna review everything to you. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Right, so what you're gonna do next is actually head into another website, and I already talked about this website in my previous videos, Digistore24. Right, just go ahead on Google and type Digistore24. Digistore, I'm not looking at a screen here. Okay, as you can see, Digistore24 here. Alright, so you're gonna head on to Digistore24 and you're gonna create an account. Let's wait and connect. Alright, log in here, but let's take it as if you actually don't have an account, so you're not gonna log in to end up in here. So you head on Digistore24. Right, good. Now you're gonna connect in a few seconds here. Alright, so here we are on Digistore24, and what you're gonna do is actually this is where we're gonna grab our long link, where we're gonna shorten with Smonar and make some serious money. So in this case, we are earning two passive income in two different dimensions. Alright, so Digistore24 is an affiliate network where you can grab a whole lot of digital products and promote selling, making money. Alright, and affiliate commissions. Alright, I'm not going to talk about I mean Digistore here, because I've already done that in previous videos. So all you're gonna do is actually gonna create an account, and it's free here. Alright, I mean creating an account on Digistore is absolutely for free. So I'm gonna log in. I've already logged into my account already, and this is my account purposely for videos here. Alright, I said how to log in here. Okay, oh man, my person nearly showed. Alright, so here we are on my Digistore back office here, and as you can see, this is my account for this video here. I have a bunch of different accounts that I'm actually making money in there. Alright, so if you follow me in this video, it's likely that you're gonna see some dollars pass on in here. You're gonna say click, and after all, smaller here is gonna also, you're gonna see a bunch of money in here. Alright, so head on to the useful current account, and then head on to this here. It says marketplace. You're gonna click on marketplace. Alright, go ahead on to your marketplace office here, and you can see we have a whole lot of digital products in here that we can promote and sell for free. So what is second, I see we are promoting this product. Alright, Medical. Alright, this is a weight loss offer, and as you can see, this product here is paying on 85% commission. That means if we make one sale here, we earn $150. Straightforward, nothing to invest here. Alright, so you're gonna click here and then grab your link, right? Copy here. We're gonna copy our long link here. It's not completely that you promote. I mean, you promote this product only. We have a whole lot of different products that you can just promote. Alright, and as you can see, commission is different from product to product here. Alright, so you can see this one is paying on 80% commission. This one is paying 75% commission, 50%. So it depends which one you want to promote. Alright, and after grabbing your, I mean, copy your link here. This is your final link. You head on to Smaller, and then you click here, right click. We're gonna paste our link. Alright, our affiliate link in there. Paste. Alright, so simple and easy as that. And what you're gonna do here is actually shorten. Alright, click that button, shorten. It's not actually showing up clear. Let me. Alright, but you're gonna click on this button here, say shorten, and it's gonna show you long link here. And okay, I think I need to refresh this page. Right, or is it because I've already done that? Okay, just a minute. Let's grab a different offer and let's try to promote that here. Okay, we have already promoted this, so let's right click, copy right there, and then Smaller, and let's paste that in here, right? And shorten once again. Okay, I don't understand why this is happening, but let's try to refresh the page and let's try it again. I'm sure it will work. I don't know why. Alright, so back here, what is this, everything? Control V, shorten. As you can see here, it's done. So here is all long link here is being shortened to this link here. Alright, so what you're gonna do is actually copy here. It says copy. Alright, can you see that? Right click here, it says copied, and it says copied. So this link here is being copied. Now what you gotta do next is actually, if you have a Facebook account or Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, alright, all these social media accounts, I'll urge you to go in there and share your links. I mean, put your links on, let it go viral. Alright, and the more people click on your link, the more money Smaller is gonna pay you, and it's very simple and easy as that. Alright, so copy your link here, head on to Twitter, Facebook, and one of my favorite traffic source here, I mean, using Facebook is gonna work best for you. Alright, so you can head on to Facebook groups on how to make money, and then post the links in there. Alright, or you can put the links anywhere. Alright, and anybody who clicks on the link here first, you're gonna, Smaller here is gonna pay you a bunch of money per link referred that you actually attract to them. Alright, so any person that clicks on a link, you're gonna get paid. And also that Digistore here, after the person, I mean, being taken to true certain serves and buying this product here, Digistore is also gonna pay you, I mean, $39, right? And if you're already promoting this product here, this product is gonna pay you $150. That is very simple. And so here, Smaller is paying you, and Digistore is also paying you. And this is all about this video, and I think you can do it is, and as you can see, it's very simple and very easy to do this. All right, and if you really love the value I just gave you here, I'll urge you please go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and comment below, I can do it. All right, I want to actually build out the belief in you that you can do it, because it's possible you can do it. All right, so this brings us to the end of this video, and I'll be actually looking to make more videos related to making money online for you in the future. I mean, later on to come. All right, so this brings us to the end of the video. I'm gonna talk. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.